welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you for coming back today. So today I am here to talk about how to be single on Valentine's Day, because just because you don't have a boo, it doesn't mean you can't have fun too. With Liz. So I have fantastic experience with being single on Valentine's Day. First of all, you should show your loved one love on every single day of the year, not just one day out of 1 month, one time a year. So I honestly think that this holiday is overemphasized and that we should take time to appreciate the people that we love all the time and not just one time a year. But this day is extra special because you get extra goodies. Even though you may be treated this way all year long, it's just a special day to appreciate the ones that you care about. So the first step to being single on Valentine's Day is don't listen to sad songs. Just be in a happy mood, be in a joyful mood, appreciate that you can spend more time with yourself, and appreciate that you can spend time getting to know yourself more and knowing things that maybe you didn't realize you liked before. You know, just have fun with yourself. Have some me time. Don't think about, oh my gosh, I'm single all the time. So the second step is to think of all the blessings of being single. Like, if you're single and you don't feel like going anywhere, you don't gotta go anywhere. If you don't feel like you wanna get up and like go out to dinner with someone, you don't have to. If you don't want to do something, you don't have to. You don't have to like compromise with other people. Now, I'm not saying that you should just stay single for the rest of your life and do your own thing forever, but it is a perk of being single because you're more free than you are if you were in a relationship with someone. The third thing you can do on Valentine's Day if you're single is to plan a girls' day with all of your best friends, because even if they're in a relationship and you're not, you can plan this day to hang out with your girls before they go out with their loved ones in the evening or whatever, and you can totally have like the best day ever and just appreciate the fact that you have the best friends in the whole wide world. Step number 4 is you can give gifts to your mother or your aunt, or your grandmother or anyone else. You know, it's okay to give a gift to someone who isn't a significant other on Valentine's Day, because it's all about love and you love those people, so give them gifts too. It's also okay to give gifts to your best guy friends or even your uncles or brothers. Just be sure not to send a gift to a single guy, because we don't want you sending the wrong message that you're trying to get with them or anything. So just make sure it's like a best friend or an uncle that you're giving a gift to, maybe even something as simple as a card, just to show them that you do care. And one of the last steps is to buy yourself candy and flowers. treat yourself for a day, because we all know that you probably need it and you work hard, so girl, go get it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I just decided to do this video because I see a lot of videos for DIY Valentine's gifts and things, so I thought this would be cool and fun. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video and like it down below, and all my social media is always down below in the description box, so don't forget to look at all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I also have a vlog channel if you didn't know, and go check that out. The link is always down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!